From the first day you become a LabLynx customer through the entire life cycle of your system, the LabLynx Help Desk is your go-to resource for all of your needs. Whether you want to monitor progress on your implementation, submit or monitor new tasks or issue resolution, get support, or just get help with a question, your LabLynx Help Desk is the place for all this and more. It contains all your documents, including your contract, and keeps track of all work, even giving you history and links to all training sessions or other online meetings. That means it's also an important part of your quality management system or QMS, helping fulfill requirements for various regulations, certifications, and standards, including ISO 17025 and 9001, 21 CFR Part 11, and more. Using the Help Desk is a better way of reaching us than email or even a telephone call. Anytime a ticket's submitted or changed in any way, the entire LabLynx support team gets an instant email alert. That way we are all aware. And your item is documented, along with the time, date, and all details, so we can get right to work on it. To access the Help Desk, just go to mylablinx.com. Log in with the username and password your account manager has given you, and you'll find yourself in the main project overview area of the Help Desk. To begin with, you'll be able to access 3 areas or sub-projects in your Help Desk account. The implementation area with all of the tasks in the scope of work of your agreement, and out-of-scope area where any additional items you want are managed, and the Help Desk itself, which contains at this point only support hours. Once you go live with your system, you'll still be able to see and comment on the first 2 sections, but all current and new tickets will be managed solely in the Help Desk proper. Each sub-project has a tabbed menu, with tabs that may or may not have content, depending on the area you're in. In the Help Desk Sub-Project Documents tab, for instance, you can see the links to all of your online training and meetings from implementation onward. You can also see your contract, invoices, and any other uploaded documents, as well as support hours and any activity there, and any spent time. On the right, you'll see the actions you can take, including adding a new task, we call it a ticket, and more. Once you're live and operational with your LabLynx system, this is where you'll submit new tickets. Again, don't email us. Put in a ticket. And even if you call us, our first question will be, did you put in a ticket? Tickets are how we guarantee top quality service for you. We'll show you how in just a moment. But let's first take a quick look at the implementation and out-of-scope sections. When you go to the Implementation Services section, click the Task tab to view the work in your agreed scope. You'll see the list for at-a-glance status. You can also click on any of them to see more details. Any functions or features you decide you want to add are entered in an out-of-scope subproject by your implementation engineer. In the Help Desk subproject, it doesn't matter what tab you're on, you can enter a new ticket by clicking the orange New Task button. The red fields are mandatory, but the only things you need to enter are a subject or title for the ticket, and then an explanation about it below. All you have to do is type your details in the detail area. Make sure you give the support team everything they need to know so they can understand your need and take care of it for you. Save your ticket. If you forgot something or want to change or add something, just click the Edit icon or the Update button. When appropriate, it's always helpful to upload a file like a screenshot or document that helps to more fully explain the ticket. And that's it. Our highly trained support staff, based right here in the United States, will see your ticket the minute you submit it, and anytime you make any additional comments, upload a file, etc. So we're on it right away. If you ever have an emergency, of course you can call us, but make sure you enter a ticket too. If you're a hosted customer, we'll probably know about anything critical before you do with our 24/7 monitoring system. So we'll put the ticket in and take care of it for you. We value you as our customer, and our Help Desk is just one way we strive to deliver the very best in service. Thanks for being a LabLynx customer.